So just have at the start of the plants viruses, we can just have the bird's eye view of the infection in the plants. What are the viruses which are capable of causing the disease? As we have already seen that there will be the only higher plants. Most of the time there are the higher plants which can be affected by the viruses. So what are the viruses which are capable of causing the disease, causing the infection in the plants? How they cause the disease, how the plants show their response, what is the defense system, what is the structure most importantly of the viruses which can cause the disease in the plants. So we can see them one by one. First of all, the structure of the plant viruses. Most of the time there are the rod shaped viruses which cause the disease, or maybe there may be the isometric viruses which cause the disease in the plants. So they are extremely small and can only be observed under an electron microscope. Most of the time the single stranded RNA viruses are causing the disease in the higher plants. Therefore they are very small and it's not easy to see them without an electron microscope. However, there are double stranded RNAs or the double stranded DNAs or the DNA viruses are also, some of them are also capable of cause the disease. The structure of viruses is of course is given by the coat of the protein which surrounds the viral genome. Most of the time the structure of the viruses is defined through the protein coat which is just surrounding the nucleic acid. Assembly of the viral particle take place spontaneously after the replication. Structure of the plant viruses continued, and we have seen that about 50% of the known viruses are the rod shaped, flexus are the rigid. So we have already seen that most of the time the rod shaped viruses are causing the disease on the plant. So here we can see that they are not a small amount, but it will be more than 50% of the viruses will be the rod shaped. The length of the particle is normally dependent on the genome, but is usually between 300 to 500 nanometer with a diameter of 50 to 20 nanometer. So the diameter of the rod shaped virus will be 50 to 20 and the length will be 300 to 500 nanometers. The protein subunits can be placed around the circumference of the circle to form a disc. In the presence of viral genome, the discs are stacked, and maybe this is stacked because of the tube, and then the tube and with the room or the nucleic acid and the genome in the middle of the tube. This rod shaped structure is very clear. In the rod shaped structure there will be the nucleic acid will be inside the tube, and then the discs are stacked and in the presence of the viral genome. These are the rod shaped viruses which are causing the disease. Then next are the isometric viruses. The second most common structure amongst the plant viruses are the isometric viruses. Their diameter is about 25 to 50 nanometer. Of course, you can see from here that how smaller they are, and it is not easy to see them without an electron microscope because of their size. In cases where there is only single coat protein, the basic structure consists of 60 T subunits, where T is an integer. In this way, in the isometric viruses, some viruses also have the two coat proteins, and some have the one coat protein that associate to form an icosahedral shaped particle, viral particle. There are three genera of the Germiviridae that consist of the particles that are like two isometric particles which are stacked together. So there will be small number of the plant viruses in addition to their coats, and they will have a lipid envelope, because most of the viruses which are causing the disease in the plants, they are non-enveloped viruses, but the small number may also have the envelopes. This is derived from the plant cell membrane as the virus particle buds off from the cell. Therefore, this can be derived from the cell because the virus particle will be buds off from the cell and the plant cell. So there is no need of the envelope, or maybe there is no need to have the extra protection for the viruses to cause the infection in the plants.